Hi, and welcome to my channel. Glad to have you. I am going to be telling you how you can meditate and open your third eye. If you've been wanting to do that, I am going to show you what I do that can help you. So keep watching. Okay, if you've been wanting to learn how to get really into meditation, and I have techniques you can do to open your third eye. First, we are going to start with meditation. So, with meditation, you have to close your eyes, as you see me do. We're going to start off with 3 breaths, 1, then 2, then 3. The first, we're going to take a deep breath, hold it, and then you let it out. So watch. You let it out. Then we do it again. You let it out. Then we do it again. You let it out. Now you take your regular breathing that you do for meditation. So close your eyes and just breathe in. You let it out. As you do it slower to get really into the meditation and to really get into the third eye. This is like the size of the eye. You would do that and you put it on your leg. But this is to start off with the meditation. So take your breath, breathe in. You let it out and do it just naturally, just do it. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Just keep doing it normally as you would do. Breathe in. And breathe out. And make sure you have your mind clear. You don't have nothing in your mind while you do this. So whatever you have in your thoughts, just clear it out so you can focus on the meditation. And you start seeing colors, you start seeing images. Just meditate and take the deep breath in and out. In and out. In and exhale out. Breathe in and exhale out. Breathe in and exhale out. Breathe in and exhale out. As you are breathing in, you should be focusing and touch with your eyes closed. Touch where your third eye is with your finger on your forehead and tap it with your fingers. Breathe in and focus. When you breathe in, focus on your third eye. When you breathe in, to visualize you breathing in through your third eye. And let it out. When you let it out, you focus on yourself letting it out through your third eye, your breath. So while breathing in, you focus, breathing in through your third eye, and pushing it out, your breath through your third eye. So inhale. And exhale. And you would also, while you do that, inhaling through there, you also visualize you letting it out through your crown, through your head. And when you breathe in, you let it out and in through your head. You can say in through your head and out. So you have to focus as you are doing those steps. And also open your eyes for a second and hold your ears back and up. Tap on your forehead. Tap on your forehead. Expand your face like this and breathe in. As you're doing that, you visualize yourself letting it in through your third eye. But make sure you have your hand like this as a third eye and close your eyes. And inhale through your forehead and exhale. Make sure when you're breathing in and out, you let it out through your forehead. And it's like letting it out through here, through your forehead. And then when you bring it in, you bring it in through your forehead. So you're bringing it in through your third eye. You can feel everything when you breathe in. You're opening everything in your head, your crown, your head, and in your third eye. So breathe in and you let it out. Make sure your hand looks like a circle, like a third eye. Breathe in and breathe out. You're going to keep doing that for like 30 minutes as you do it on your own. Focus and do it on your own. You can also open your third eye with candle gazing. You take the candle, you turn on the candle, it should be a white candle, and you focus on that candle. Your eyes should be focusing on that candle. But before you do that, take the Bible and read a Psalms in the Bible. Whatever passage comes open to you, and read the passage. It could be 109 to liberate you from negativity and just bring that positive vibe. And then you take the candle and you light it. You look at that light as you inhale, like you're meditating, and you exhale and look at that candle. You keep doing it and doing it. And as you keep doing it, you close your eyes and you have that thought of the light in your eyes. You visualize your third eye open. Breathe in and breathe out. You breathe in and you breathe out. You breathe in and you breathe out. Those are techniques you can do to open your third eye. And also, if you want to also open it, you take the selenite and just pass it around your third eye. Just rub it around your third eye and just rub it around your ears and expand and hold your ears out and just rub it around your forehead. And you have to say to yourself in your head, like for a second, open, 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 and just have that thought. And then close your eyes when you have the selenite and pass it through your forehead and say open, open, open. And take the breaths that you take for meditation and take that deep breath in. You can put the selenite down and just take that deep breath and exhale. Breathe in. Depending how much you do it will get you to see colors. You might see red, you might see a white color, you might see blue, green, and you can see the purple. As you continue to do the meditation, you will start to have visions and see things in the eye. When your eye is open, you will see an eye. When your eye is closed, you might see where your eye is open, depending on your, you can say, your gift. Depending, anybody can try to do it. It's depends on you. If you believe it, you can start seeing things with your eye. When you have your eyes closed, you can start visualizing and seeing. The more you meditate, the more you start feeling and seeing. Well, for me, I tend to see people. I can see people come to me. I can see their faces. I can see, you can see the faces. You can see me in your, it just comes to me. So if you are very in tune with your meditation and your connection, you will be able to see and interact with what is in your eyes of your vision. They can interact back to you. There's a fly over here. And you can, that's open your third eye. You can do a lot more if you keep progressing your gifts and keep seeing more things. I did see, you can say, in my connection, when I did see someone well known in the vision that I had, and it's clear as day as I saw the person, and not sure if he saw me, but I'm not going to say what celebrity it was because I feel that's private, as the person is also in tune to connecting to, you can say, the other side. You can also connect to the other side. You can interact, like you can interact with them as they are right in your face, and you can ask questions in your mind. And if you say, for example, if you want to know something, for example, will I this, and they'll either go like this or go like this in your vision of your third eye. You can actually interact depending how you connect to what you see. When I was awake, I had my eyes closed, I was already awake. I seen a guy with a hoodie. It was a light-skinned guy, blue eyes. As I saw the vision, he came and then he left. So sometimes you can actually, depending how strong you are, you can see things that are beautiful. You can see a lot of different things. So depending how strong a connection you have, you can see a lot of things. And if you want to also open your hearing, that would be for another video. So if you actually leave me a comment below, I will let you know techniques how you can open to hear on the other side. And that's a different technique. But if you really want to open your third eye, you have to visualize it and see it, because you may see the eye as an eye, but if it's closed, you have to visualize it open. Say open, you have to visualize it as you see it open. And when it's open, you keep on doing that, you will see more. And also, if you open your third eye, you got to remember that you're opening yourself up to the other side. You might see things that you might not usually think you would see. Do I see evil things? If you pray and you are protected, no, you will not. Um, you have to protect yourself and ground yourself. The selenite is good to cleanse yourself. I've been meditating for a while. It does help with stress, anxiety, and it gives that calmness. I love the calmness, and I like connecting to it's just like a peaceful, like when you're outside in the sun. It's good to be connected to God and to have that connection, and also you opening yourself up to the possibilities of knowing things and being more aware of things and getting things like you can say you want. And if you meditate, it really does open yourself up to a lot of possibilities that you didn't know were possible. It really does help with healing. If you have been in a fight, or if you're in a separation with someone, or if you are being in a situation where verbally abused, or just fighting a lot, just take the Bible, read the Psalms, read the passages in the Bible, meditate, and just relieve your stress. Also, selenite also helps to clear your energy. Also, be close with God. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click on the notification bell I'm on. Leave a comment, whatever you want to ask. I will respond. The more you do it, the more you open. But the meditation and the breathing techniques, you should do it. At least you could do it 30 minutes. If you don't have 30 minutes, you could do it for less, but try to open yourself up. And when you meditate, close your eyes, because that's where you feel the peace. That's where you feel the calmness, and you can start seeing things in your eye. And meditation is also the key. If you've lost someone and you want to heal, meditation is great to heal, and it's great to give you that peace and calmness. And also pray. It also helps when you read Psalms in the Bible, and just have that calmness, and just take it from there. And it's I'm telling you, it's one of the best things you can do is meditate. And the visions that you see, you connect with people, like you can say spirits, but also connect to things that you wouldn't think you could connect to. See things, see places, see people that are actually, you're like, wow. Like, I'm telling you, if you don't believe what I'm saying, it's because you haven't tried meditating and you haven't opened yourself up. And if you do it, you'll see, and you'll know that possibilities are possible. Just take the Bible and just pray passages, because that always keep you calm and peace, and also have that healing feeling from God as you read the Bible. And the meditation also works. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and to click on the notification bell when I'm on, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.